Triumph Bonneville. No start issue. No spark issue. That's no good, is it? What's that in the wiring harness? It's loads of water. Let's see what we can find here. Something tells me somebody's been in here before. Yep. Right, so after whipping the pickup sensor cover off, noticing that somebody had been in there before, the wires were a bit tight, the picture shows it. I've moved the wires around a little. There we have a faint spark, so I think we need a new pickup coil. A rejig of the wires on the pickup, just let's see if it fires into life. There we go. She lives.